Hi, my name is Eric Fredericks. I'm with Sound Associates at InfoComm 2026. I'm here presenting the software I've developed to help monitor wireless spectrum. As an RF coordinator on Broadway, we're needing to keep an eye on sometimes hundreds of channels of wireless. And this software is developed to be used with certain types of analyzers. I have a signal hound analyzer here. Right off the bat, you can scroll back and forth to look at the wireless that you want to look at. Because the analyzers are so quick, you can add multiple plots that can each look at their own spectrum. Your coordination is listed in a marker table here that can be pulled from Soundbase. And every time you highlight a marker on here, it will actually highlight on the plot. Because it's so quick, sorry. The software also has a hardware component called the Flamingo, which lets me have multiple traces from multiple hardware on the same plot. And that's what it is. You can come in and find out more at soundassociates.com. And thanks so much for having me.